Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Speaker. Oh yeah, before we start today's super helpful session, make sure you hit that like button. Seriously, smash it like you're smashing your fears. And don't forget to subscribe and tap that cute little bell button so you never miss our confidence-boosting English videos.
Absolutely. Today we're doing something special, a full, deep conversation, like about confidence tips for beginners. Real, natural, emotional, slightly funny. You know, the way real humans talk when they're trying to survive their own insecurities.
Paul, do you remember the first time you tried to speak English in public? Like, seriously, the first time?
Oh, yes. Don't remind me. It was so embarrassing. I said, "Good morning," and the person answered, "Good afternoon," and I just froze like a scared chicken.
Ha ha ha. I get it. I once said, "Nice to meet you," to someone I had already met 3 times. Yeah, they looked at me like I had memory problems.
See, that's the thing. Confidence doesn't start perfect. It starts messy and awkward and weird. But oh yeah, absolutely, that's how you grow.
You know what I've noticed? When beginners try to speak English, the biggest problem isn't grammar, it's fear.
Yes, fear of mistakes, fear of people laughing, fear of sounding weird, fear of saying sheet like, you know.
Paul, you're bad. But seriously, mistakes are natural. They mean you're learning.
Exactly. Confidence grows only when you walk through mistakes, not avoid them.
I used to think speaking fast meant sounding confident. No, it meant sounding like a panicking squirrel.
I love that. But seriously, beginners, speak slowly. It gives your brain time to think.
Absolutely. Slow speaking sounds clearer, smarter, and more confident.
Confidence doesn't come from big words. It comes from clear words.
Oh, yeah. Say things like, I think, I feel, in my opinion. These are simple but powerful.
And if you forget a word, it's okay. Describe it like the thing you use to cut bread. Knife?
Talk to taxi drivers, shopkeepers, Uber drivers, waiters, anyone.
Seriously, they don't care. They just want tips.
And they don't judge your English. They forget in 5 seconds anyway.
One time, I said, "I'm so exciting," instead of "I'm so excited."
Oh no!
Yes, the person looked uncomfortable, but I laughed, and suddenly, it wasn't scary anymore.
Confidence is, I made a mistake. Ha! Moving on. Not, I made a mistake. My life is over. Fake it till you make it. But not in a weird way.
Yes. Even if you're nervous, stand straight, breathe slowly, and smile.
Your body tells your brain, hey, we're fine.
Not shouting, not whispering, but speaking clearly from your chest.
Absolutely. When your voice is strong, people think you are confident, even if you're shaking inside like jelly. Paul, can I be honest? When I was younger, I had 0 confidence.
Seriously?
Yes. I thought I wasn't smart. People laughed at my pronunciation. It hurt.
I know that feeling. Same here. But you know what? Pain creates power.
That's true. Confidence is built, brick by brick, from all the moments you didn't give up.
Do you know the magical trick? Fake confidence in your body first.
Oh, yeah. Chest open, shoulders back, chin up.
Even if inside you're like, oh, help me.
Your body tells your brain, relax, we got this. When you make a mistake, don't say, I'm stupid. Say, I'm learning.
Yes. Mistakes are data. And, everyone makes them. Even me. Yesterday, I said I'm hungry when I meant I'm angry.
You said it to me, and I brought you food.
Yes, sorry. But thank you. One of the best confidence builders, talk to strangers.
Yes, taxi drivers, delivery people, shop owners, tourists.
They don't care if you make mistakes. They just want their day to continue.
Yes.
There was a time I cried because my English sounded wrong. Not bad, not terrible, just wrong. Like I was an outsider.
Oh, Paul.
And one day, I met a tourist who said, I love your accent. Emily, that one sentence changed everything.
See? One negative comment can destroy you, but one positive comment can save you.
Exactly. Let positive words grow louder.
Repeat with us. I can learn.
Again, I can learn. More practice lines. My voice is important. I don't need to be perfect. I choose confidence. I will try every day.
Excuse me? I'd like a sandwich, please.
Absolutely. What kind?
Chicken, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
Just water. Thanks. Your English doesn't need to be perfect to be beautiful.
Yes. Your confidence doesn't need to be full to be powerful.
Every time you speak, you grow. Every time you try, you win. Thank you for staying with us for this long, deep session. Seriously, we appreciate you.
If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our videos on Mr. English Speaker.
Absolutely. Keep speaking, keep learning, keep believing.
And remember, confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
See you in the next video. Bye.